guys, welcome back to Crafted by Kids. Today I have a special guest with me.
Hi.
And she's going to help me make a Father's Day card. This is what we're going to be making today. I love you this much. The materials you'll need for this video are scissors, a glue stick, a marker, and cardstock or paper. So first, what you're going to do is take one of your pieces of paper, and Eloise, will you put your hand on the piece of paper? Mm-hmm. Thank you. And we're going to scoot it to the edge, right about there. Next, you're going to trace your hand or your sibling's hand. Like that. Then you're going to cut this out. Or wait. You can cut it out, and then you can put it on top of another sheet of paper and cut that out as well instead of making two handprints. But we're gonna do two different handprints, one with our right and one with our left. So give me your other hand. Awesome. Other hand?
But it's the
Yep.
same hand.
Okay.
Because I knew it had marker on it when you were tracing my hand, so. And this was my hand.
And if you're using marker like I am, make sure yours is washable in case you get some on your hand or your sibling's hand, so then you can go wash it off. Okay, now we're gonna cut these out. So Eloise, I'll cut one and you can cut the other.
This one.
All right. Now that we've cut both of her handprints out, we're going to set these aside and take our other sheet of paper. So now we're just going to cut this into a little strip, just like this. That's how it does it. And Eloise, you can also have your own strip and practice doing this in case you want to make another one of these cards. Okay, so you're going to fold it accordion style, which is folding it down. And then you're fold it down, and then press down, and then you're gonna like that. Then you're gonna turn it around. Actually, you're gonna turn it upside down, and then use the same side and fold it back.
And then do it.
So that's what it looks like. And then you're just going to keep going.
Like that?
Yes, just like that. And then you're gonna go back and forth, folding it accordion style. This is also the way you fold when you're making paper fans. So if that helps you know how to fold this, then think of making a paper fan.
Wait, am I right like that?
It's okay. We'll practice later. So now that we have our strip, we're going to unfold this like that. And we're going to write this much. And you'll see why. So Eloise, I'll help you write on here, but you can write on the hands later. So we're just gonna write,
thank you,
this much. Like that. And you wanna make sure the last two ends that you folded are open because we're gonna need those to glue this down. Set that aside. And now we're going to take our hands again, and then we're going to write on the back of one, I love you, ... And then on the other one, you're going to write from, and then your name. So Eloise, you can write from Eloise on here.
Are you going to do this name thing?
I'll do this.
But your name.
Well, no, on this one, you're going to write, I love you. Now we finished writing on the hands. On one we wrote, I love you, ... And on the other we wrote from Eloise, because it's gonna be from Eloise.
Here.
Okay, now we're gonna turn these hands over to the non-writing side. Then what you're gonna do is take your glue or glue stick, whatever you're using, and you're gonna have this handy. Now, like I said, we're going to leave one flap open on each side with no writing. And what you're gonna do is use that flap to glue it down like that to the middle of the hand. Just under right there. So I'll do this part so you don't get any glue on your hand always.
Okay. Because you don't want your hands too sticky.
Like that on the first one. And then on the second one, you're gonna do the same thing. Gluing it on that empty side. Just right down. Now with the glue stick, it's already dried. So we're just going to fold this up. Like that. Now, when your dad reads the card, it will say, "I love you," and then you can stretch it out.
And then you can read our side.
This much. So like when you're saying, when you're telling your dad or your parents, "I love you this much," it's like a card that says that. And then on this side, it'll say who it's from. And yeah, and you can also add little decorations, like little hearts or anything. So Eloise, do you want to add like a heart right there or something?
How many hearts do you want?
Let's just do one. I'll add one too.
I almost hit one.
All right. And there you go. A cute Father's Day card. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to the channel. Bye!